Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use sea moss in smoothies. The most effective way is by incorporating sea moss gel. You'll want to prepare your gel ahead of time for ease. For each smoothie, a small amount, typically 1 to 2 tablespoons, is all you need. This ensures you get the benefits without altering the taste too much. It's a simple addition to your daily routine. Making sea moss gel is straightforward. First, thoroughly rinse your raw sea moss under cool water to remove any debris. Then, soak it in filtered water for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight until it softens. Finally, blend the softened sea moss with fresh, filtered water until it reaches a smooth, gel-like consistency. This prepared gel is now ready for your smoothies. Once your sea moss gel is ready, adding it to your smoothie is simple. Just combine your desired amount of gel with all your other favorite smoothie ingredients in a blender. We recommend starting with 1 to 2 tablespoons per serving. You can easily adjust this quantity based on your personal preference for thickness and how much you want to incorporate. Blend until everything is smooth and creamy. Incorporating sea moss into your smoothies offers fantastic benefits. It's packed with essential minerals, supporting your overall wellness. Beyond nutrition, sea moss gel can also enhance your smoothie's texture, making it thicker and creamier. Remember to store any unused sea moss gel in an airtight container in your refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 2 to 3 weeks. Enjoy your nutritious boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.